Hi, welcome to Foresights TV, and this is me, Anushka Tyagi. In anticipation of the massive influx of devotees flocking to Odisha's Puri for the revered Rath Yatra of Lord Jagannath, the Indian Railways have unveiled its ambitious plan to operate more than 315 special trains. This decision aims to ensure seamless travel and convenience for pilgrims during the auspicious festival period. The Ministry of Railways and the East Coast Railway (ECOR) have collaborated to enhance connectivity and accommodate the surge in passenger traffic. The announcement comes as a proactive measure by the Ministry of Railways to cater the heightened demand expected this year. The additional trains will facilitate travel to and from Puri, connecting various important cities and towns across the eastern region. Special services will originate from key locations such as Barampahar, Raulkela, Balasore, Sonpur, Daspalla and Paradeep among others. These trains will provide reserve class accommodation to ensure comfort and convenience for the pilgrims embarking on their journey to witness the grand spectacle Rath Yatra. Furthermore, the East Coast Railway has detailed its comprehensive arrangements including limited stoppage special trains departing from Jagaldalpur and Raipur in Chhattisgarh, Vishakhapatnam, Palasa and Sompeta in Andhra Pradesh, as well as Malda Town and Selda in West Bengal. The strategic deployment aims to streamline travel logistics and minimize disruptions during the festive rush. The initiative underscores the Indian Railways' commitment to enhancing passenger experience during significant cultural and religious events. By expanding the network of special trains and ensuring adequate facilities, authorities are poised to manage surge in pilgrim footfall effectively. Each train schedule has been meticulously planned to accommodate the varying travel preferences of devotees from diverse regions. As the countdown to Rath Yatra begins, the comprehensive development of over 315 special trains marks a pivotal moment in the Indian Railways' efforts to support religious tourism and cultural heritage. The initiative not only reflects the railway's operational prowess but also reinforces its role in facilitating inclusive and accessible travel experiences for millions of devotees converging on Puri. Here's a special report from Foresights TV with me, Anushka Tyagi.